About this item: USB-C to HDMI adapter multiports. Vilcome USB-C to HDMI USB PD adapter can expand your USB Type-C port compatible Thunderbolt 3 into a 4K at 60 Hz HDMI output port, a 5 Gbps USB 3.0 port, and a 100W Type-C fast charging port. This 3-in-1 USB-C to HDMI converter can satisfy more of your needs at the same time. Lightweight and portable, plug and play, no software or drivers required. Ultra HD 4K HDMI video output. This USB-C to digital AV multiport adapter provides video resolution up to 4K, 3840x2160, at 60 Hz, which is 4 times clearer than 1080p. Very suitable for home use, cinema entertainment, games, video conferencing, teaching, office, lectures, etc. Super high-speed data transfer. USB 3.0 port. The transmission speed of USB-C/Thunderbolt 3 HDMI adapter rate up to 5 Gbps, 5120 Mbps, transfer large files, videos and other data in seconds. The USB 3.0 port also compatible with mouse, USB flash disk, camera, removable hard drive, keyboard, or other USB A 2.0/USB A 3.0 devices. Type-C quick charging port. This USB-C hub with a 100W USB-C charging port, support 100W PD charging for your Type-C laptop/tablet/smartphone and other Type-C devices. Widely compatible. Vilcome Type-C to HDMI compatible with MacBook/